Hi everyone. Hello. Hi. We'll just wait for some more people to join in and then I'll introduce myself and show you all the look I'm going to be teaching today. You can send in your comments and let me know if there's, any particular look or any kind of eye look that you're looking for, to know or learn about today. I will be helping you right away. Hi. Okay, so I'll start with introducing myself. Hi everyone, I'm Ivory Zinkai. I'm the senior makeup artist and trainer for Calabar Cosmetics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a mask eye makeup look for the new normal. So basically this is a makeup look that you could carry while going for a date or going for any kind of casual meeting with your friends and stuff where your eyes would really speak a lot while you're wearing a mask. So I'm going to use the Calabar Nude 12 palette for this look. So the Nude 12 palette have these 12 beautiful shades over here. It also comes with a brush already. So we have this double-ended brush that has a flat tip on the top and it has this blending part over here. So it helps in application as well as blending the product. To start with the look, I'm first going to be using my Calabar On The Go sanitizing spray. So this spray is a makeup and tool sanitizer. You need to just apply it over your product about, a hand's distance. And it basically sanitizes and kills all the bacteria from your product. You can also use it on your tools like this brush over here as well. So you can just spray it over here, so it will kill all the bacteria and germs. It has 70% isopropyl alcohol, so that is going to ensure 100% safety in terms of killing bacteria. And yes, once you've sprayed it, you can just leave it on for about 10 to 20 seconds before applying it. I'll just keep it for a while over here on the side and I'll show you all the other products I'm going to be using while doing this look. So we have the Zoom and Whoosh mascara that I'm going to be using for my lashes. Along with the Zoom and Whoosh mascara, we are going to be using the new Calabar lashes that we've just launched over here in the shade Full Night Out 004. So Full Night Out is this really, really nice volumizing lash that looks very, very, pretty and good, especially when you want a lot of volume. We have two other variants in this as well. So if you don't want something too dramatic, we have something that's called Lash in the City 003. So it looks something like this. And we have one more over here that's called You Complete Me. So these lashes comes along with this glue over here that you can apply for sticking the lashes on your eye. Now that my palette is dried, I'm going to start using the palette with my brush. So this is the flat tip brush over here. I'm going to be taking the shade called Sassy, that's this color. I'm going to be applying this on the inner corners of my eye. Dust off the excess and just apply this on the inside. This brush is so flat and nice that it's very, very easy to curve your crease over here. So you really don't need to worry about getting it right because it exactly goes inside your crease and you need to just mark it like that. Okay, so it looks like this. You're going to do the same thing on this eye as well. So yes, apply it and then just go up and down your crease to create intensity. I'm just going to load the product again on it and I'm going to apply it. I'm doing the same thing on this eye also. So once you've done that on the outer corners, use the color over here called Seduce. So Seduce is this dark brownish black that you can use to contour the eye. So I'm using the color Seduce on the outer corners of my eye. So that's over here. Okay, just on the outer corners, and again in sweeping motions back and forth, just contour your eye. So you can see this color that it's giving. So yes, contour it in back and front and back in this motion. This blending brush makes it so easy to apply any kind of eye makeup. So yes, so it gives this nice smoky smudged out look. Doing the same thing on this eye as well. So going back and forth, and I'm just contouring the eye. Okay, so it gives you this nice sultry looking eyes instantly. So you can see that is done over there. It was so simple. I just took two colors, Sassy and Seduce, applied Sassy on the inner corner and applied Seduce on the outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to be just taking my Colourbar Pro Crease brush and I'm just going to be blending it again on the outsides just to give it a little more softer look. You can see it over there. It looks really nice. We have this color called Crush over here that I will be using on my inner corners over here right near the tear duct, again with the same flat tip brush, just applying it on the inner corner of my eye. So it just gives it a nice highlighted shine. Okay, so you can see that this palette is really good if you want to create any look, from a daytime look to a nighttime look, because it has all colors. It has like daytime colors that can go up to, you know, any kind of night smoky eye color as well. So just completing my inner corner. Okay, I'm using the same brush again and the same color Crush and applying it on my brow bone as well. So this is going to highlight it. Complete it over here also. Okay, now that I've done this, I'm going to use my Colourbar All Matte Eyeliner to create a nice wing eyeliner to complete the eye makeup. The All Matte Eyeliner is an eyeliner that lasts for about 16 hours. It's also completely matte and jet black. So because it is so jet black and nice, it makes any eye makeup, especially when you're applying frost and shimmery shade, if you apply an eyeliner that is matte, it would look better as compared to applying an eyeliner that is glossy. So I'm applying this on my eye, just drawing the line, starting from the inside, going all the way out. And just stretching it outside here. You can see that. If you want to make it thicker, you can. I want it a little more thicker, so I'm just gonna draw over it again. Okay, I'm going to be completing the same thing on this eye as well. Thank you so much, Dipanshu. And just stretch it from the outside a little more. Okay, so my eyeliner is almost done. And I'm going to just apply my lashes over it. Before applying the lashes, I'm just going to use my, thank you Sushil, I'm just going to use my Colourbar Zoom and Whoosh Mascara. So the Zoom and Whoosh Mascara will help in, you know, lifting the lashes and preparing it for the lashes that the false lashes that I'm going to apply. So yeah. So the Zoom and Whoosh mascara comes in these two steps, guys. So it's step 1 volume, step 2 lengthening. So right now I'm using just the volumizing wand. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm just going to complete the lower lash line. Thank you so much, Meera Thakur. Okay. And this side also. Yeah. Yeah, so that's almost done, guys. And I'm going to be using now the Colorbar lashes to complete this. So I've already cut these lashes according to my eye shape, so you guys can also do that. Whenever you're cutting your lashes, always ensure that you cut your lashes from the outer side and not from the inside, because you should not really fiddle with the size that they've kept inside, because it has to be smaller than longer. So whenever you cut your lashes, always cut it from the outside. Okay, that's like a small tip that I would like to share with you all. Any kind of leftovers on your lashes before using it, you can just take your fingers and just pull it out. That's how you clean your lashes. Okay. Yeah, and then it comes out like any kind of leftover gum and stuff. So I'm going to use my Colorbar lash glue for this. So this lash glue is really nice. It makes your lashes stay in place, and also it's very easy to apply. So it comes with this applicator that you need to just apply on the band of your lashes. So the band is over here, the top part from where the lashes are stuck, and just apply it all over the band. And you need to just keep it for some time to dry. Okay, these lashes are priced at rupees 750, guys. So I've put it all over the band, and I'm just going to leave it to dry for a bit, because it is more easier to stick once it's dried. If you apply these lashes after it's already dried, what happens is that it can really mess up your eye makeup also. So just let it dry a bit, then it's more easier to stick over your eyes. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. I'm just keeping this aside. Till then, I'll be applying the glue on this lashes also as well. If you guys have any kind of questions for anything, that for the makeup look or for the products I've used until now, please feel free to ask me. So I'm applying the glue on this one as well. I'm going to keep it to dry for a bit. So yes, that's done. Just left it like that. Just leave it for a bit to dry. I think the other one is almost dried. So I'm going to apply this on my lashes now. Okay. Don't make this mistake. A lot of times, sometimes people do this. What they do, they apply the the longer one inside and the shorter one outside. Always remember, the shorter lashes will always be inside and the longer lashes will be on the outside. So I'm applying this on this eye. Just again drying it a bit. You need to just place it over your eyelashes or the eyelid where the eyeliner has been drawn. You can use a tweezer to do that if you're not comfortable with your hand. I am more comfortable with my hands, so I'm just going to be using my hands. Just close your eyes and place it on your eyes. You can always fit it in according to your eye shape if it's not there. The glue is really good, so you don't need to really struggle with getting it aligned. So see, since I left it to dry for a bit, it just stuck so well immediately, and that's the difference it's already making to my eyes, guys. I'm using the second one again now on this eye. Again, just going to place it right over my eyeliner. And again, you can just open your eye to fit it. You just press it in to make sure that it has, it's stuck properly on your eyelid. Okay, so that's done. It's already looking so nice just because of the eyelashes, and you're almost there, date ready, guys. So that's my lashes and my eye makeup. Now I'm going to be just applying a little bit of highlighter on my cheeks because the cheeks would still be visible even if I'm wearing the mask. So I'm taking my Colourbar blush brush and applying it on the cheeks. For the highlighting, I'm using the Colourbar Contour and Highlight Kit. So this comes with the contouring color as well as with the highlighter. So this makes it very easy if you don't want to spend too much on a separate contour and on a separate highlighter. So you can use this. Just apply it on the cheekbones and blend it. You can see how intense this is, and this color goes really well with the rose gold palette that I've used. Okay, take some of it and apply it on the tip of your nose also. Okay, I think I'm just going to amp up the inner corner again a little more, so I'm going to use this on the inner corner just to make it more brighter. Yeah. Okay, now even if you're wearing a mask, you can just leave it like this without any lipstick, but I would still like to wear some lipstick, so I'm going to be using the Colourbar Sinful Matte in the shade Corset. Again, I'm going to be using my Colourbar On The Go Makeup Sanitizing Mist, just applying it on the bullet, and I'm just leaving it for some time to dry. I'll show you till then another product that we have, guys, for keeping your hands clean and stuff. So if you're going out for a date and just before eating you want to sanitize your hand, we have these really cute Colourbar wipes. They come in 2 sizes. So it's called the Colourbar Purizer wipe. One is in this, so a big one if you want to keep it at home, and we have the small one that you can always have it in your bag when you're traveling and stuff. It has aloe vera in it, so it helps in moisturizing your hand, and you can use it on your hands, you can use it on your face, wherever water is not available, or if you don't have a sanitizer, liquid sanitizer, you can definitely use this to cleanse your hands and face. Okay, now that my lipstick is ready, I'm just going to take off whatever excess just on this, patting it a bit. The shade that I'm using, guys, is Corset. So just applying it on my lips. It's a very pretty nude color that has like a pinkish undertone. If you want, you can apply something darker. If you want, you can apply something lighter. Okay, if you want to skip this step, since you think that if you're wearing a mask it's not going to be seen, you can totally do that, but I can't live without a lipstick, so I'm still going to be applying the lipstick. Now I'm just going to be blending the edges. Okay, and to make sure that it does not transfer on my mask, I'm going to be taking the tissue paper and just taking off the excess. So that takes out the creaminess of the lipstick, and also like it will not transfer that much over your mask. Okay, so that is it. So my look is done. If you want, you can definitely use a kajal over here to make your eyes more bold and stuff, but I like it like this, so I'm going to be leaving it like this, and I'm going to be using my mask. So I can just use the mask now, and I am date ready, guys. So yes, so you can leave your eyes like this before going for any kind of date, or if you're meeting your friends. And yes, because of the lashes, it looks really pretty, and it still is a statement and it's attractive and stuff. So yes, you can keep it like that. If you guys have any kind of questions that you would like to ask me, please ask me now. I'll also let you all know that you can buy all these products from our Colourbar website. That's www.colourbarcosmetics.com. Other than that, we are also doing home delivery, ensuring 100% safety and hygiene that would be followed. I'll be sharing the number that you guys can, call on for any kind of home delivery. The number is 9028 674639. 9028 674639. So you can call on this number, and if you like any of the products that I just showed you right now while doing this look, you can order it on this number, and the products will be delivered to your home, ensuring 100% safety. If you are comfortable ordering it on the website, you can totally do that as well. We have our website called Calabar, www.calabacosmetics.com, so you can order it from there also. If you guys have any queries, you can ask me now. If you guys think of any questions that y'all want to ask me, y'all can always send in a message at Love Calabar or even Quorum Mall for any kind of queries and doubts. We would be happy to help. Please, if y'all do try this look and y'all are going out, and if y'all wear it with a mask, please share it with us and tag us at Love Calabar. We will be reposting the looks that y'all have created. I hope you guys had a good time. I had a lovely time over here. See you soon.